Of the woman who is accused of stalking Mayor LaToya Cantrell is addressing some accusations today.
This comes as the Public Integrity Bureau is investigating 4 NOPD officers for allegedly releasing the personal information of Ann Breaux. WDSU reporter Ariel Brumfield live with why the attorney says his client was violated. Ariel.
Well, we are still in the very early stages of this investigation, but right now the focus is looking at the intent of those 4 officers' actions.
But some kind of way that confidential information was provided to the mayor, which is information that is not ordinarily available to regular citizens.
Attorney Justin Smith says his client, Ann Breaux, the woman accused of stalking Mayor LaToya Cantrell, had her personal information accessed and leaked by NOPD officers. Back in May, Mayor Cantrell filed a protective order against Breaux through civil court. That cause was dismissed, but her lawyer says in the process, Breaux's social security number, date of birth, and old photo and other court documents were released.
There was a reference in both the police report that the mayor gave on May 9th and the petition that Ms. Breaux had a history of assault based on a criminal record that appears to have been found from Assumption Parish.
Schmidt says Breaux was a victim in the 2016 case that was expunged, but claims Cantrell filed as a civilian and should have never had access to the information. It's the reason why the Public Integrity Bureau is investigating 4 NOPD officers who are accused of accessing information about Breaux. The officers in question, Jeffrey Vappy, Leslie Guzman, Ryan St. Martin, and Victor Grant.
And in this case, it's portrayed to the officers as that an investigation, a criminal investigation of some sorts is going on. I know one of the officers in particular, Detective St. Martin, simply did what any police officer do when they called you and say, "Hey, I got, can you check a name for me?" He had every reason to suspect that it was legitimate.
Eric Hessler with the Police Association says utilizing law enforcement databases is normal for officers in everyday practice. And at this time, it has not been determined who accessed what in the database. The big question is, why did that information get searched and who gave it to the mayor? Normally, officers have to have a reason to search for that information.
Those databases exist for law enforcement to access and to get information for the investigation. As long as that officer's doing it in good faith, if it's subsequently used by somebody or somebody gets their hands on it and uses it inappropriately later on down the road, well, that's what the investigation is for.
And the mayor's office is deferring all inquiries on this matter to the NOPD Public Affairs Office. Reporting in New Orleans, I'm Ariel Brumfield, WDSU News.